This is Advocate Radhika Sharma, Legal Advisor at Lexis and Company. So today we're gonna discuss the amended section of criminal amendment, via Criminal Amendment Act 2013 under the IPC. So what are the sections? Let's start with those. So basically जो amended section थे of IP under the IPC are 166A and 228A and 376 and 166A में जो amendment हुआ via Criminal Amendment Act 2018 के through. So this section जो deal करता है with public servant disobeying direction under the law and has 3 clause. And इसके 3 whoever being a public servant and knowingly disobey any direction of the law which prohibit him from requiring the attendance or at any place of any person for the purpose of investigation into an offence or any other किसी भी दूसरे को और knowingly disobey करता है to the prejudice of any section, any other direction of the law regulating the manner in which he shall conduct such investigation या फिर फेल हो जाता है रिकॉर्ड करने में any information given to him under subsection 1 of section 154 FIR वाला of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973 in relation to cognizable offence वो punishable होगा under section 326A में under section 326B 354B and 370 and 370A and 376 and 376A 376AB and 376B 376C and 376D 376DA 376DB and 376E और सेक्शन 509 में punished होगा shall be punished with rigorous imprisonment for a term which shall not be less than 6 months but which may extend to 2 years and shall also be liable to fine. So इसमें जो clause 6C था is substitute हुआ with section 376AB 376B 376C 376D 376DA and 376DB के through. So now let's come to the another next section जो amend हुआ था is 228A with provision है इसका 228A का is disclosure है of identity of the victim of certain कुछ offences में जिसका जो फर्स्ट पॉइंट है whoever print or publish करता है the name को or any matter which may make known the identity of any person against whom जिसके अगेंस्ट एक्शन ऑफेंसेज अंडर 376 एंड 376A 376AB एंड सेक्शन 376B 376C 376D एंड 376DA एंड 376DB और सेक्शन 376E इज alleged होगा फाउंड टू हैव कमिटेड in this section referred to as the victim shall be punished with imprisonment of either description for a term which may extend to 2 years and shall also be liable होगा फाइन में. तो इसमें जो था इस ये जो सेक्शन था इसमें जो अमेंडमेंट हुआ कुछ सर्टन सेक्शन थे सब सेक्शन का जो सब सेक्शन 1 का था इसमें दिस सेक्शन वॉज सब्स्टिट्यूटेड विद सबसेक्शन विद सेक्शन 376AB 376B 376C 376D 376DA एंड 376DB क्योंकि वो बाद में इंसर्ट हुए थे दैट्स वाई इनको अमेंड किया गया. So now that's all for today. Thank you for watching us. We'll back with the new legal topics and ideas. Thank you.